Now that the only mirror that we have studied till yet, that is the plane mirror, but I have told you this is not just a mirror, that a plane mirror is the only example of the mirrors. We are having a lot of other examples as well. So let us see what different types of mirrors we are having. Basically, we are having two types of mirrors. That is, one is the plane mirror that we have already seen and the diagram of it already seen, and the second one is spherical mirror. Okay, so spherical mirror, what is it? A spherical mirror is just kind of mirror that is made up of some spherical object. Okay, let's suppose this was a spherical glass, and out of this spherical glass, if we have cut it like this, okay, and so we are having two like curvatures of like this, okay, like this. So two curvatures like this, if we are going to shade, and like I have told you the aluminum dusting and the red paint already, that makes the one side as the polished and the other side as the reflecting. So let us polish these two, अलग अलग को हम अलग अलग से पॉलिश करते हैं. लेट सपोज कि ये वाला जो कर्वेचर है इसको हम यहाँ से पॉलिश कर देते हैं. सो द रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस ऑफ दिस इज दिस, एंड इस वाले को भी हमने इधर से एक बार बाहर से किया तो एक बार अंदर की साइड से कर देते हैं. ओके, तो इसका क्या हो गया रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस, ये वाला हो गया. तो दिस इज नोन एज द स्फेरिकल मिरर, बिकॉज ये हमने किसी कर्वेचर से बनाया है. ओके, लाइक यू नो इन द फ्लैट सरफेस जो कि प्लेन मिरर है, प्लेन मिरर में हमें एज इट इज सेम टाइप की इमेज मिलती है जैसा कि हम हैं, सेम अपीयरेंस हमें मिरर में भी मिलेगा. दैट इज एक्चुअली the virtual image and it is the erect one and at the same distance. But here are the examples of the spherical mirrors. Okay, जिसको हम curved reflecting surfaces भी बोलते हैं. जैसे आपने देखा होगा कार में, जो आपके कार होते हैं उसमें जो बैक साइड है उसमें आपको इस तरीके से इमेज मिलेगी. दिस इज दी स्फेरिकल. तो ये थोड़ा सा कर्व्ड होता है, आपको लगेगा ऐसा दैट इट इज अ प्लेन ऑल्सो, बट इट इज नॉट अ प्लेन, इट इज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ कर्व सरफेस. एज यू नो दैट अ बिग, लाइक हमारी अर्थ भी एक कर्व है, it is also spherical, but wherever we see, it seems like it is a flat surface. How? Because it is a big thing and we are very small in comparison of the size of the earth. In the same manner, it is actually a very big sphere, so we have just taken a part of it. Like ये बहुत बड़ा sphere है तो हम इसका एक छोटा सा part ले रहे हैं like this. तो ये छोटा सा part हमें कैसा दिखेगा accordingly कि ये एक straight है like a plane mirror, but it is not actually, because all the properties it is going to show is according to these curvatures. The properties that we have seen in the plane mirror, the reflection that has been done in the plane mirror is totally different in this spherical mirrors. Okay, in spherical mirrors we are not just getting the virtual image all the time, we can also get the real image. Okay, so these are the examples and now we are going to study these spherical mirrors in detail, that what we are calling these spherical mirrors and how they are making, how they are making. तो मैंने आपको बता ही दिया है कि इस तरीके से हम बड़े कर्वेचर को ब्रेक करके वन साइड से पॉलिश कर देते हैं, बट इनकी डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टीज क्या होंगी, लेट अस सी दैट इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड.